Here I am. Yes, I'm wonderful. I know you love me. Yes, you do. But can't you see? You're torturing Frank and me. Don't bug me, Bradley. I'm hick.
You're a hick? Then you should be singing country and western. Just stick with me, kid. Do you work here? You're fired. We're live at the cereal bowl, and it's an overflow crowd.
Wait, Bradley. I've got the...
Trust me, babe. The show must go on.
But... Yeah!
Hope you're afraid of heights.
Why?
Trust me, babe. Look down. What'd I tell you? It's under control. Now get out of here and...
Bradley!
Here, take a few sips of water. Trust me, it'll be showtime in no time. Sweetie, honey, cookie, baby, save it for the show. Now get out there. We're gonna be huge. Where's Jones? Stace, you know what this means?
Yeah, it means you're fired.
Fired. This is our big break. It's the first annual Hiccupalooza Festival. What are you waiting for, Stace? Let's get this show on the road.
Bad news, B-Man. No more hiccups.
Not funny, Stacy. Now come on.
I mean it.
You can't do this to me. I got a solo crowd out there. Some of these life forms came from the other side of the universe.
Come on, Bradley. We gotta go.
No way. They're gonna want their money back. And some of them have ray guns.
Hi, Mom. Tough day at work?
Uh-huh. I was on my feet all day.
Come on, Bradley. Mom needs to recharge her batteries.
The Screeching Earbusters have a new video that's got gravy.
Bradley, Mom needs a little peace and quiet.
So what do you want to...
Well.
Uh-oh. Wait a minute. This isn't Earth.
Sharp eyes, Sherlock. Welcome, puny Earth boy.
Ah! It's the planet of the girls!
Hi, Bradley. Hi.
Take him to the tea party.
Oh, goody.
A tea party. Here's a little peace and quiet. Too much to ask for.
Sorry, Mom.
So now what do you want to do? Oh, man, this is freaky. First you had him, then I had him, and now Frank has him. Are hiccups contagious?
No. Maybe it's some genetically mutated hiccup virus. Catch him! No sign of the great white fright, Captain O'Bradley. May as well head back to port.
Arr, the Frank what took me leg be out there somewhere. I feels it in me bones. All we need is the right bait.
Hey!
There isn't a Frank in all the 7 seas can resist that cheese pooper. Arr!
There you go!
Jib the flipper! Haul up the keel! Heave 2! Heave 3!
Take the patient to my laboratory. Else we must remove the pesky hiccups. A hiccupectomy.
Yes, Dr. Von Cheese and Bacon Burger. Hee hee. The world is safe from the hiccup.
I'll take that.
Ah, Lance McBoyle, my evil nemesis. And his incredibly smelly henchman.
What?
Seek their chance.
Hound you later, Von Dweebenstein.
Yeah.
We must stop them, Vigor. If they unleash the hiccup, the entire world could be doomed.
Cool.
Ah! Dale, you gotta run!
Oh, man, not Dill, too. Bradley, look! Oh, man, that can't be good.
Okay, we just gotta load our hiccup ray. And then we'll rule the whole world! Ha ha! Ha ha! Ha ha!
Yeah, we rule.
Pass me the vial. You weren't supposed to throw it, doofus.
You said pass.
Man, nice going, dude.
We interrupt our normal programming for a special announcement. A mutant hiccup is on the loose. No one is safe from its hideous zombie power. It was last seen heading towards Bingo Beach.
This looks like a job for the Styx Files. I've never seen anything like it, Agent Moldy. Seems to be some strange form of mass hysteria. Come on, Agent Silly. What we saw can't be explained by normal phenomena. It's gotta be...
Don't say it.
aliens.
Not this again.
Aliens from
Here it comes.
Uranus! Moldy? Moldy! Moldy, are you all right?
Yeah! Dad! The hiccup! It got Bradley and... Oh no! You got everybody! Ah! Oh no! It's blocked!
Oh, now what?
Mom! Let me in! Mom! No! Stay back! Bad guys today!
What's all the yelling about?
The hiccups! They're history!
Could you please explain to me, young lady, what was so important that it couldn't wait until I finished my...
Oh, no! The hiccups are coming! They could be in your neighborhood! You could be next! Run! Run